Hidden habits stealing your energy after 50. Meet Frank, a man in his late 50s with a good job and loving family, but one habit was quietly draining his life: excessive masturbation. What started as stress relief became a trap, dimming his energy, confidence, and connection with his wife. If you're an older man, this habit might be silently harming you too. Today, I'll share why quitting can transform your health, relationships, and vitality, plus practical steps to break free. Type "change" in the comments if you're ready to reclaim your spark, and subscribe to Legacy of Lessons for life-changing tips. The problem: a silent energy thief. Frank's evenings were spent scrolling adult sites, not bonding with his family. This routine left him tired, disconnected, and low on self-esteem. Excessive masturbation can lower testosterone, sap energy, and weaken your drive as you age. It's not just a habit, it's a barrier to living fully. Impact on relationships. Frank's marriage suffered. Relying on solo pleasure reduced his interest in intimacy, creating distance from his wife. Strong relationships need connection, not screens. Cutting back can reignite passion and deepen bonds. Why it's harmful after 50. As testosterone naturally declines with age, excessive masturbation worsens it, leading to fatigue, low motivation, and a dulled zest for life. It can also trap you in a cycle of guilt, harming your confidence. Frank felt stuck, but change was possible. How to break free. Spot triggers. Notice when you turn to this habit: boredom, stress, or loneliness. Awareness is key. Find alternatives. Try new hobbies like painting or hiking. Frank joined a hiking group and felt alive again. Manage stress. Swap scrolling for meditation, yoga, or a walk to boost mental clarity. Exercise. Regular workouts lift mood, energy, and testosterone naturally. A gym session or dance class works wonders. Set goals. Gradually reduce frequency, track progress in a journal, and celebrate small wins. Frank's turnaround. Frank took action. He engaged with his wife, picked up hobbies, and joined social groups. His energy soared, and their intimacy blossomed. He rediscovered joy in real connections, not quick fixes. You don't need to feel shame, focus on growth. Quitting this habit can boost your energy, confidence, and relationships. Start small, be kind to yourself, and embrace the journey. Type "energy" in the comments to share one step you'll take. Like, subscribe to Legacy of Lessons, and share to inspire others.